Hello guys, so this is just a quick tutorial of what you'll be doing whenever you're reviewing an essay. So you're gonna get this email sent from me or Josue, which is gonna be the essay receipt. And if you wanna see the receipt, you can go ahead and download it right here. It's gonna say what citation style it's gonna be in. So this is MLA, and then the essay title, and then it's gonna tell you like what the student needs help with. So in this case, they want to see their comment or opinion in a mini essay that they did. And just clarification, this is not editing. We won't edit the essay. We're just going to revise the essay. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the essay. And once you do click on the essay, it's going to open a Word document. Once you do open the Word document, you're going to enable the editing portion. Right now, let me make it a one view thing. Okay, right there. And as you can see, this is the plain essay. We won't edit. That's not what we want. So what you're going to do is, let's say right here, for example, it doesn't have a good MLA format. So you'll just click, left-hand click, and you're going to add a new comment, and you're going to let them know, check MLA format for titles. It's also missing, their name, the date, the professor. It's also missing a header. So all those things you would just comment to double check what they need to see on. You won't edit for them. You won't tell them, you need to add your name. We don't want to be that editor for students, and they will understand that portion that it doesn't involve us. So once you do this, you're gonna go to File, and you're gonna click Export, and you're gonna create a PDF. Once you do create the PDF, you're gonna, the title of the essay, and you're just gonna label it Essay Revised. You're going to publish it. It's gonna appear like this. So once you do download, if you want to download it again, I'm gonna replace it. I'm gonna go back to the email that I'm getting, and I'm going to reply to all, and I'm going to say, good afternoon, this is the essay revised. I will attach the link for the essay, and I'll send it. Right now I won't send it because it's not revised, but once you do have it, I have reviewed this essay already, and you can see some of the comments that I made, and this is what students will see, and this is what they'll get once Josue does send that to them. So you can see like check grammar rules right here. This sentence sounds off since it's the opposite thought, so it was really contrasting. I did let them know to review the MLA format since it's missing date, title, and more. Repetitive, what exactly, you want to make the students think critically and for them to do their own essay. You don't want to be the editor for them. So thank you for your help, and I hope that this tutorial did help out. And if you do have any further questions, let me know. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.